Hi friends, I'm Salma and this is Brittany.
And we're here from the Contentful Developer Relations team to tell you about some exciting new features of the Contentful App Framework.
What's the Contentful App Framework? The App Framework lets you use your favorite tools and frameworks and easily connect them to Contentful to customize the editor experience in the UI.
We've got a huge collection of apps in the app marketplace from Cloudinary, Google Analytics, Gatsby Cloud, Netlify, Shopify, and more. And you can also build your own custom integrations using our open source tools.
Run npx create Contentful app to get our recommended source code and you're good to go. It includes Forma 36, our design system, and all the required library code for you to get started.
But here's where it gets really exciting.
We've now released app sharing. This means you can easily share your Contentful apps across organizations using a link or an embeddable share button.
If you've built an amazing app you'd love to share with the community, head on over to your app definition settings, click on the sharing tab, and choose to share your app.
You can now share your app with others using the link that's been generated and showcase an install button on your GitHub README or anywhere else. Check it out. You can now install my blog metrics Contentful app to get word count and reading time for your blog posts.
Or you can install my custom integration that will add a GIF from Giphy to a Contentful entry.
You can also add custom icons to your apps, making it easy to find what you're looking for in your list of apps.
We're excited to see the types of apps you've been building and how you've been using Contentful in the community.
So why not head over to the Contentful Community Slack at contentful.com/Slack and share what you've built.
And who knows, maybe we'll build something special for you to share and showcase your Contentful apps.
That's all from us for now. We can't wait to see what you've been working on.